Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use AI like a pro. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI like a pro so you can save time, boost creativity, and get real solution. Whether you're using ChatGPT like I do here, Gemini, or any AI tool, the way you give commands or prompts matters. So let's unlock the secrets to using AI the smart way. So first, you need to master the prompts. So instead of asking AI, write me an email, you can give it a context. For example, you can go like this. Write me a professional email to a client about a project delay. Keep it polite and solution focused. You can try giving this prompt. So you can see the difference, right? So specific prompts, it means professional result. Okay, so this is the result. And the next tip, you can use AI for planning. So pros don't just use AI for answer, they use it for planning. You can ask AI to create a content calendar, marketing plan, or even a study schedule. For example, you can ask them to create a 7-day fitness plan for beginners with easy meals. And next, combine tools. So for beginner mistake, it's usually use one AI tool. So for the prompt move, you can combine tools. For example, you can use ChatGPT to create the scripts, and Canva AI for designs, and also CapCut AI for video editing. And together, they make your workflow powerful. Next, don't accept the first answer, always rewind. So you can tell AI, make it shorter, make it more formal, or add bullet points. So this will turn basic responses into expert level results. And you need to also learn the prompt formulas. So pro use prompt frameworks like role, and then task, details, and output style. So for example, you are a professional marketer, you can create a 30 seconds the TikTok script to promote skincare product in fun tone. You can go with that prompt. Let's try that. Okay, so here is the prompt. Let's try using this to ask AI to create a 30-second TikTok video script. Okay, as you guys can see, it will give you the answer in just seconds. And once you master prompts, you can start automating. You can use AI with Google Sheets, Zapier, or apps like Notion AI to automate repetitive tasks, saving hours of work daily. And that's how you can use AI like a pro instead of a beginner. Try these tips today and you'll never look at AI the same way again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.